My name's Emmanuel, and I'm the founder of a startup called Modernize. And essentially, Modernize is set up to optimize, personalize, and customize your desk space. And it's doing this through its first product called Tower. Now, Tower is a modular desk organizer for your desk space, wherever you work from home, work from a co-working space, or a traditional office. And it's modular in the sense that you have different components and different items that can store anything on your desk, from pens and pencils, your plants, your phones, headphones, literally anything. If you have a cluttered desk, then Tower is definitely for you to reduce your desk clutter and boost your productivity as well. My product was really born from my A-levels, really. Essentially, we were given a brief where we had to try tackle a problem that people had but didn't know how to necessarily identify. And it was something that I had myself. I was looking at my desk at home and I was getting really concerned because I had more items on it, but I didn't have a bigger desk to actually store those items. And someone just told me just get a bigger desk, but I couldn't do that because the size of my room wouldn't allow me to. So I looked at trying to more optimize the space that I was already using, already had, and looking at desk organizers, for example, and from scouring the market and checking out, different items, products, and reviews. There wasn't really anything that was quite modular to like almost customize it to my own needs. So that's how I started to think about the idea of something that was modular, something that could be customizable by the user. And then lo and behold, it's developed over the past few years. I've also taken it as my final year project at university as well. And so far it's been so good. I've finished my market ready prototype. I've also got a market ready version of the packaging as well. So at the moment, it's just looking about sourcing manufacturers and trying to sort out distribution lines and supply chains at the moment before launching to market.